Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Ethereum Classic price prediction and Ethereum Classic news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Ethereum Classic in 2022. Ethereum Classic is a hard fork of Ethereum that launched in July 2016. Its main function is as a smart contract network, with the ability to host and support decentralized applications. Its native token is Ethereum Classic. Since its launch, Ethereum Classic has sought to differentiate itself from Ethereum, with the two networks' technical roadmap diverging further and further from each other with time. Ethereum Classic first set out to preserve the integrity of the existing Ethereum blockchain after a major hacking event led to the theft of 3,600,000 Ethereum. Ethereum Classic saw a substantial depreciation in its value by withdrawing in a descending channel for nearly 16 weeks. During the downfall, the 20 SMA assumed an important area of value for traders, investors. From here on, etc. saw a pattern breakout on the 7th of February but failed to gain stimulus as it eyed an approach to the $28 zone after a bearish divergence with its daily RSI. At press time, etc. was trading at $31 down by 4.5% in the last 24 hours. The latest bearish phase for the altcoin saw a nearly 67.4% retracement as it pierced through numerous vital price points. For instance, the bears managed to flip the $32 mark from its 9-month support to immediate resistance, thus revealing a dominant bearish influence. Interestingly, etc. noted a 42.6% ROI, one that helped it breach the pattern and test the $32 mark resistance on the 7th of February. But it struggled to gather force and overturn this level. Thus, despite recent gains, etc. saw a reversal from the upper band of the Bollinger Bands. It also coincided with the immediate resistance. To top it up, etc. formed a bearish divergence with the RSI, due to which the price action saw a reversal on the 8th of February. This trajectory would also mean that the altcoin will finally change its relationship with the 20 SMA from resistance to support. Consequently, a test of the immediate support at the $28 level or the 20 SMA would be likely before a bullish move. In case of a bearish malfunction or a change in Bitcoin's perception, the bulls could stall the sell-off and initiate an immediate test of the $32 mark. Although the RSI crossed the midline, it saw a strong trendline resistance. The bulls still need more thrust to counter the long-term bearish tendencies. Having said that, the ADX has been on a steady decline, meaning the strength of its direction is getting weaker. The bulls could capitalize on this ramping up volumes and jump the gun by closing above the $32 mark. etc. is the native currency of the network. The Ethereum Classic network also enables dApps on the platform to issue their own tokens, including NFTs. A Russian-Canadian computer programmer named Vitalik Buterin wrote the white paper Ethereum is based on. Ethereum Classic came into existence on July 20, 2016, when a group of developers disagreed with how the Ethereum blockchain was moving forward. But there was a vulnerability in the fund's code that was soon exploited. Millions of dollars in ETH were drawn out of the fund, and investors panicked. Developers had a 28-day window to come up with a solution before the hackers could cash in the tokens, which represented a sizable portion of Ethereum's market cap at the time. In much the same way as Ethereum does, the blockchain relies on proof of work mining, meaning that people from all over the world run hardware and software to validate transactions on the network and keep it secure. In return, miners can earn etc. Users can, of course, send etc. to one another, just as Bitcoin or Ethereum network users would send BTC or ETH, respectively. They can also use etc. to interact with applications on the Ethereum Classic network, such as decentralized exchanges, where they can swap tokens that run on the network. But the Ethereum Classic ecosystem is not as active as Ethereum or other smart contract networks, such as Solana. For instance, as of February 2022, the network had negligible activity on decentralized finance applications, according to DeFi Llama. However, etc. devotees continue to work on the network and update the code. In December 2020, core developers upgraded the network in an effort to make 51% attacks economically non-viable. The most recent upgrade is the Mystique hard fork in 2022. Because Ethereum Classic's development has continued independently, it stands out in some ways from Ethereum. Most notably, unlike Ethereum, it has no plans to move away from its current proof-of-work consensus mechanism to proof-of-stake. Also, Ethereum Classic will have a total supply of around 210 million coins, unlike ETH, which has no limit. It also comes of writing. Its market capitalization is currently around $6.9 billion, and its 24-hour trading volume is $3 billion. The price of Ethereum Classic falls for the fourth day in a row as prices for other crypto assets recover. At the time of writing, Ethereum Classic has fallen to $59.90, which is about 72% below the annual maximum. Despite this, the crypto asset recorded a positive price movement during today's early trading session. A few weeks ago, etc. witnessed a huge price increase that reached impressive price regions. This was due to the fact that retail investors rushed to buy the coin when the leading Ethereum coin was growing to its historical maximum of about $4,000. The Ethereum coin plays an important role in the lifetime of Ethereum Classic, as it is considered a replacement for a relatively expensive token. Despite this correlation, the depreciation of etc. was more noticeable than that of ETH. The losses of Ethereum Classic increased dramatically overnight when market participants raised questions about the security and confidentiality of virtual currencies. This was after the FBI managed to get the cryptocurrency out of the Colonial Pipeline scandal. In the period from June 24 to June 6, the price of etc. fell by 9%. Fortunately, the steady decline in prices could not overcome the 79% Fibonacci retracement level at $49. The crypto coin recorded a rapid price reversal from the swing low of $49.50, pushing it up by 33% to the level of $60.10, where it is currently trading. According to the 24-hour chart of Ethereum Classic, its price movement managed to overcome the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $61.70 before returning to where it is currently trading. If the crypto coin manages to close the day above the 12-hour candle, the ongoing price consolidation will disappear to set the stage for a rally. In this case, traders should expect that the bullish growth of Ethereum Classic will break through the swing lows to $72. Looking back, we can say that this growth will be 15% higher than its current purchase price. Since the uptrend is not limited, the growth of Ethereum Classic may try to bypass its recent high of $79.12 to settle in the price range of $83. This will be an extreme case of bullish movement. On the contrary, if etc. fails to stay afloat at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $62, a bearish trend will appear. Such a movement will indicate increased pressure from sellers or weak buying activity.